Hey, good morning. My name's Tom Bowman. I run Bowman Web Services. And if you're considering somebody for building your website, let's go with skills. And so I don't have a team of people. There's not a whole bunch of people running around here. No, I am a self made person, right? I totally have built my own stuff. And for the last 15 years, I've been like marketing vacation promotions. Now, don't hate me because it is timeshare related, right? But I have access to a ton of stuff. And so I built up a whole bunch of different resources. So I have a local handyman company here that's actually for sale. I totally did handyman stuff for many years. And ultimately, I built a marketing company up while I was doing that, and I was selling my own stuff. AKA, I had a contract across the Caribbean selling a vacation club or sending couples down there on an all-inclusive stay where they got 5 nights all-inclusive for 2 adults, 2 kids. They listened to a little timeshare pitch, and it was either for them or it wasn't, and then next, right? And so I have some serious skill set that I actually have skill set in. And so I want you to know that since AI came out, I am now using things called Codex and Claude Code. And so if you don't know those things, I'm telling you, if your web guy doesn't know those things, he's already a dinosaur. He's out of business. And honestly, you need somebody like me that's using the new tech. And so I want you to know all of my websites are now totally not on WordPress. They are not a content management system. They're literally static pictures that are highly enhanced, right? And in some cases, there are up to 1,500 pages on a given site. I kid you not. And I got stats for it all, guys, because I'm a big stat person. I'm a content marketer that does competitor research and figures out a niche and figures out how to take over that niche. And so stuff like Daytona Handy here, if you Google Daytona Beach Handyman, this will be the #1 search result or #2 search result, right? That's what content marketing is. If somebody's selling you SEO and they're telling you, I'm going to rank you for your name, that's stupid. Like, I should rank for my name, don't you think? Right? But it comes down to money keyword phrases. And so let's have a look here. I'll just show you some stats. All right, just hang on for a second because in stuff like, well, let's not do marketing. Let's go over here. I'll give you my best. Right? Let's hop over here to I Want to Travel To. And so this site was selling all kinds of promotions and stuff like that. And so I'd go back 16 months to show you some data real quick. This is true SEO, right? This is somebody that actually put their hand to the ink, so to speak, right? So over the last 16 months, 1 million impressions roughly, 4,000 click-throughs, right? And so you're like, what to do? What's that all mean? And so I've ranked for all kinds of things across, like Daytona Beach, the Spring Island map, different things that I've ranked for, across different travel destinations. And really, if I move my big fat head here, me over here, you see that there are quite a few variations of searches because this page, honestly, this site for the majority of those 16 months had 400 to 600 pages of content that were poorly made. They were done on WordPress. Now it's all been remade and it's still being remade, and it's actually all being run by Codex right now. It's being run through Codex. They have Codex come in here and actually rehash a whole bunch of different things on that site, and then I'm going to totally redo it, targeting, I don't know, 1,500 pages worth of content across the U.S. And this site's going to focus in on fun things to do and travel promotions in across the U.S. And then I have another site that actually is going to be doing across the Caribbean. So I have 91 all-inclusive resort offers across the Caribbean. And so I'm somebody that really has my shit together, guys. Here's a website, right? Has 2 AIs, one for Spanish, one for English, right? They are live on a phone line, right? This site has a Mexico phone line. It has a Canadian and a U.S. phone line, right? Again, all answered by AI. Has an AI that lives on the website, right? So an AI lives on the phone line, lives on the website, answers the contact form, right? Doesn't answer, it collects it. And all of this goes into a CRM, right? Which allows me to do automations through N8N and other things. So I'm one of those guys, right? And so listen, if you're somebody out here, and let's go back here, the reason I'm addressing this right now is because here, if I look at my stats, right, for the local Daytona Beach area, all right, you'll see over the last, let's just shrink it down to the last 28 days. So I really want to hone in on local services like SEO in Daytona Beach, performance based SEO. I'm already got a video for that. But specifically, where's what I was trying to target earlier was Ormond Beach or something. I was doing really good. Let me get my position set here. So I wanted to address local services SEO in Ormond Beach. See, I'm kind of on the verge. I'm on the first page. I need to move that up. But I was looking at something here a minute ago, and it actually was showing me much better stats. I was seeing like Ponce Inlet. I was kicking butt for showing up for Ponce. Let's see here if I can get that set. Yeah, there. Local SEO services, Ponce Inlet. In the last 7 days, all right, I just ticked over into the first page, right? And here's my position. So I'm search result number 5, just picked over, and nobody's clicked through yet. So that's what this video is about. I'm trying to enhance and show you that I really know what SEO is, and I know how to target SEO. And honestly, well, you're like, well, why doesn't your page do better? Well, honestly, my marketing company never actually promoted SEO for other people. I just did it for me. And so I had my own contracts with resorts, and I was just selling vacation promotions and doing it as a little mini travel service, as a travel agent. And so totally didn't need to sell SEO. But now with AI, it's going to become so easy to rip off. Honestly, if you've got a 20-page website, I'll have that done like that. I will totally make a deal for you right now, right? I will give you AI on your website, put you onto AI phone. Say you're paying somebody $300 to $500 or whatever it is. I will blow their offer out of the water. I'll take their website, whatever it is right now. I'll duplicate it. I'll clone it, not clone it, but I'll make it better, right? I'll take it off of whatever content management system it's on, put it onto this format. Honestly, look, here is a website that is going to be my pride and joy. It's called Self Growth Videos. It's approaching like 1,500 or so pages of incredible human beings. And so, if you're looking for somebody that's got some skill set, I'm telling you, I'm building out something that I believe is going to be a national tool to teach people high dollar skills after college, after high school. Right? You can come here and you can learn about all kinds of awesome shit. I kid you not. Breath work, cold exposure, martial arts, right? Learn about incredible people, incredible hard runs and race guides. You learn about spiritual stuff. You learn to achieve things like Jocko or, where's Goggins? Oh my goodness, there's Goggins right there. So, if you're a big fan of David Goggins, come on. Come on, man. All right, come check out my stuff. Honestly, this thing's completely pimped out with videos, lessons, right? All kinds of cool stuff. I got affiliate marketing running here somewhere. There's the affiliate shit to Amazon. Yeah? All right, so if I'm not your web guy, get out of here, all right? I'm a competitor, all right? Because when your competitor cuts a hold of this video, you better believe that his website is going to look this badass and it's going to load like that. I kid you not. Click, load. Oh, nice. Click, load. Nice. What else we got here? Bob Proctor. Click, load. Yeah? Jim Rome. Load. Oh, but that is some fast shit. Now, that is static, and that is fast. And so, hey, if you're looking for somebody that's got some skill set, knows how to do some competitor research, you can go out there and find. Honestly, I'll tell you, here in the handyman thing, you might think that, there's not much in the handyman market, but I'll tell you what, I had as many as 80, but I backed it off. Now I think it's down to 50 pages. And you're like, pages? How do you have 50 pages for a handyman site? Listen, it's niche marketing, okay? In a handyman market, there's flagpole installation, there's mailbox repair, there's shutter installation, there's door lock repair, replacements. There's endless little niche things, decorative things, hang Christmas lights. There's endless stuff inside the handyman niche that can be written about and targeted that every other competitor has missed. Honestly, this website is unchallenged. Yeah, it is unchallenged in the marketplace. When I Google Daytona Beach Handyman, and honestly, I have not done citations. This whole website, its trust value is like 11. It only has like 25 links built to the entire website. No citations, no link building, just hardcore content marketing. And I'm gonna, really, it just has a couple of things. It's not even, I don't think I even did schema in the background. So listen, this thing honestly, if you're looking for somebody that if you're looking for a handyman business, this thing's for sale. I'm pretty much giving this thing away. Somebody just takes it over and absorbs some of the expenses and kicks some money back to me. um, yeah, I'll let them have it just for a case study and some money, right? I want some money, but at the end of the day, if you want somebody that's got some skill set, guys, um, you know, come chat with me. I want to like totally show you how to do some basic marketing and again, um, yeah, this isn't my prettiest website. I've only put so much time into this because it's just I don't even answer the leads. The leads I get a lead a day. I'm totally yeah, I feel bad that I'm not getting back to people, but I'm so busy with AI right now. I'll just turn this damn site off, and I just don't even care about it. But if somebody, there's somebody that's a little more serious, and wants like a nice website that actually functions, looks good, and does all kinds of great. Look how heavy this page is, guys. Right? Think about it. Right? That's pretty heavy in content right there. That's 6 videos and a 7th video. The 7 videos on that page, and it loaded instantly, right? Just click, it's a blink. And so, yeah, I built this. This is a plugin that I hand built with AI. This is my plugin. I don't pay for it, right? I just give it away. So I'll give you a free share widget with your website. How about that? Oh, wouldn't that be nice? Yeah. And so dig it. Skill, talent, stats. All right. Dig it. If you're doing something here at local and you're looking for a local guy to do your SEO, your content marketing, your web development, check me out. Bowman Web Services. Hey, thanks. Thanks for hanging out this long. I appreciate it. Take care. Have a good day.